Hi there, thanks for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I'm an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Please hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this family if you have not. Turn on the bell notifications so that you get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. And of course, most importantly, if you have products, skincare products, body care products, face care products that you would like us to review for you or help you to differentiate between the fake and the original of these products, please drop them in the comment section below and we will be getting onto it right away. So today's video is a highly requested video. Okay, I've had several people, literally even from when this channel started newly, especially for those of you who have been watching my videos in the past from other channels, okay, or who have probably seen me physically before and have been wondering how I've been able to make progress with my skin. I did promise you that I was going to come back here to share with you what my skincare routine is, okay, especially for someone who has an oily skin, okay, and is really acne prone. What have I been doing that has been working for my face so far, you guys? And that is why I decided to come on here today without any makeup on. You guys, literally the only makeup I have on here is this, mild lipstick that I have on. I don't have any white powder, brown powder, no eye pencil. If you look at my eyes very well, no eye pencil. I didn't carve my eyebrows, nothing. I just came on here so that you can see what my skin looks like currently without all of that. And remember in my previous video, okay, in the last 1 to 2 videos that I made, I did state with you guys that I've been having, these breakouts since the past 1 week plus, okay, because it's my menstrual cycle period and hopefully it's over. If you even watch my previous video and this one, you notice that, see, this particular acne that is here is already drying out, okay. I want to share with you some of the products that I have been using. They are not a lot, they are not much, so don't be too disappointed, but you should be elated because it means you can actually achieve a lot with your skin with very little product. I use this product in the morning and in the night, okay, but not every time. And even when I use them regularly, I have a pattern in which I use them that makes them work for me, okay, you guys. Yes, so now the very first thing, when I wake up in the morning and I need to clean my face or take my bath or look fresh and look good, the first thing I do is go into my face with this Dr. Rashel vitamin C brightening face wash, okay, you guys. Yes, this is what I am using. If you did remember, I mentioned in a previous video one time that I was using the Dove gentle exfoliating soap, okay. That was when I was reviewing the Dove Gentle Exfoliating Soap, and I did share my review of how it broke me out, what I discovered was the reason, and why I had to switch or drop it immediately because I needed something that I could use regularly without fear of having this breakout and all. And so far that I've been using this particular product, it has been amazing. It has been beautiful, you guys. I don't know how I'm going to make you guys see this thing. Okay. I've been using this face wash consistently for over 3 weeks now and it has been doing an amazing job. So what I do is on some days I just apply it on my face and let it to sit in on my face while I wash all that part of my body. So by the time I'm rinsing off my whole body, the face wash must have sat on my face for at least 5 minutes, okay. Then I wash off immediately. At other times I just wash off normally, okay, especially when I don't have makeup on. Most of the times when I do that and let the face wash sit into my skin is when I have a lot of makeup on, especially when I know I used foundation and powder and concealer on my face at the same time on a particular day, okay. Yes, you guys, as soon as I'm done with this, the next thing I always go in with is my roushun vitamin C serum. See you guys. See you guys. Oh, even before I started using the Dr. Rashel face wash, this particular thing, oh my goodness, it changed the game for me. It changed like everything. If you watch my review on the other brand, the Dr. Rashel brand, you see that I gave experiences and all of that. You guys have not had a bad tale on this, okay, and I am so excited that I jumped in on this. This has been one of the best things that has happened to my skin in the last 1 month, okay, you guys. So after washing my face with this, I always go in with the roushun vitamin C serum immediately. I do this at night before going to bed, but if it is during the day, I always apply my lemon fresh moisturizing lotion on my face. Yes, like I always say, you guys, I'm using it because it works for me. I use it on my face, I use it on my body, and it does amazing. It helps take care of acne, it helps take care of dryness. I don't, even in this Harmattan season or Harmattan period I'm filming this video, nothing like dry skin or scaliness or itchiness on my face or any other part of my body thanks to this lotion. And this is a new brand, because I'm sure some of you might be wondering, you're saying lemon fresh and you're using this. Yes, this particular brand of formula came out late 2023, and I stumbled on it in a supermarket that stocked it, and I got it, and it has been well, because I have actually gotten reviews from people about my skin, the improvements in my skin, both on my face and on my body. I've been getting a lot of positive reviews about my skin, so I don't intend to back down on lemon fresh anytime soon, except you give me a reason to. Okay, yeah, so I go in with this during the day before I now go in with my vitamin C serum. Okay, you guys, meanwhile at night I always keep this process. Most of the time I try to go to bed without using any moisturizer or toner or anything like that. At best I just apply the vitamin C serum on my face, and then I go to bed. Now that is not all. That is not all. Okay, you guys, there is an important hack that I stumbled on by reason of experiment, and I'm sure it is a thing. Okay, because in fact I think it is a thing, but so many people are not aware of it, and it is something called double cleansing. Yes, I know you must have heard of double cleansing if you're someone who is a skincare junkie. Okay, but I have tried this on my body, I've tried this on my face, and it worked amazingly well for me. Now this is what I do. You remember, like I said, that there was a time I talked about using the Dove exfoliating bar soap. Okay, I already had it. You know, in that video I showed you that I had about 2 or 3 packs, and I cannot throw it away, and I don't particularly know who I want to go and give it to at the moment. Okay, I couldn't throw it away, so I just decided to look for other means that I can actually use this. So what I did was, that also changed the game for me, was every once in a week, or sometimes when I remember, okay, 2 times or 3 times in a week, the first thing I do is to wash my face with the Dr. Rashel face wash, and then I double cleanse with this exfoliating bar. Going with the face wash first, then after rinsing off the face wash, I use this, leave it on for like max 30 seconds or even 1 minute, and then rinse off, go in with my vitamin C serum and any other thing I'm doing, and then apply my makeup and all of that good stuff. And now one thing I forgot to mention is that, see, anytime I use these 2 combinations, okay, like I apply this cream on my face, this moisturizing lotion on my face, and go in with the roushun vitamin C serum, it always gives me an amazing base for my makeup, whether I'm using only powder, okay, like compact powder, or I'm using my, you know, full makeup, foundation, and the rest of them. I've not experienced sun tanning or sunburn in the course of using this, okay, and that is why I am still sticking to it. Now I'm not saying you should verbatim go and use it, okay, our skin is different, all right, but if you do not have reservations while watching this video, you can actually go and try it out, okay, or any good moisturizer or lotion that you use for your skin right now and is also good for your face, you can try it out with the roushun vitamin C serum, okay, you guys. And then also, whenever I am exfoliating, I always make sure to use this, okay. This particular one was gotten from AliExpress, right? That was sometime early last year or last 2 years, before we were banned from using, you know, our MasterCard and Verve cards to shop online internationally. So yeah, I use this to scrub my face very well, okay, and then I use this part like that is softer to wash off as well, to wash off every residue, and then I rinse off. See, you see, these things have been a game changer for me, you guys. Before I end this video, I'm also going to share this with you, okay, that just before I started using the Dr. Rashel face wash, okay, what I normally use for this double cleansing at least once a week or twice a week is my lemon fresh shower gel and the Dove soap, and these combinations have been amazing. Yes, they've done great, and that is why I'm coming on here to share them with you. Yes, they did amazing for me. I go in with this first. I wash my face with this when I have makeup. It takes off every single bit of makeup, okay, on your face, every residue of makeup on your face, even if the ones around the eyes usually tricky, especially if you use eyeliner and mascara like myself a whole lot. But I go in with this, wash off my face with this, and then I go in with the exfoliating, and then I go in with the Dove exfoliating soap, okay, to exfoliate myself, rinse off, and then go in with my moisturizer and of course my vitamin C serum, you guys. And that brings me to the end of this video, you guys. That is all there is about this, okay. Maybe in the nearest future I'm going to be adding more product to this. I'm looking to try out more products, especially when brands reach out to me. I am so ecstatic to try out products from brands. So if you have products that you want us to try out, give you first impressions, give you good reviews, okay, that is going to drive sales to your business, please let me know in the comment section below. Send me a message via my email that is also showing on the screen right here, or send me a DM on SimplyShuga via Instagram, okay you guys. And also, most importantly, if you know any of those brands and you want us to reach out to them to test out their product, to review their product, drop their names in the comment section below and we will be getting to it. And that brings me to the end of this video. Do not forget to catch up on other videos on this channel. Please watch my videos, please share these videos. Oh Lord, help us get monetized, you guys, help us get monetized. Okay, till I come your way next time in my very next video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.